our VIPs. Maraming salamat po. I know this is a Sunday and thank you for giving your time to these people, to these volunteers who's giving service to our community. So, hindi ko na patatagalin, Sir Eman. I know this is ito yung message, of course, everyone's message from our guest speaker is very important. Pero ito kasi pinaglaan natin ang oras ng ating butihing senador. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin. So, palakpakan po natin the representative from the Office of the Senator, Christopher Bong.